Hi everyone, my name is Misty with Top Shot Dixie Academy, and today we are making a video, or we're going to attempt to make a video anyways. I don't know how it'll go. But we are doing a video of the unboxing of my new pistol. Oh, this is the Rose Edition by SIG SAUER. It's their P365XL. Like a fancy box. It reminds me of like the boxes, you know, nice purses come in. Oh, goodness, you guys, it is so adorable. Okay, we've got a quick reference guide here. When this came out last year and I saw the rose gold color on here, I about died. Lena Miculek did the design collaboration with SIG, and I think she did such a fabulous job. We've got two 12-round magazines in here, 5 dummy rounds, which is great for dry firing drills. Thank you, SIG, for that. You've got the rose gold accents on the trigger, the manual safety, the takedown lever, and the slide release. A rose design, custom stippling. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. I can't wait to take it out and shooting. I'm gonna call her Rosita. I love it, I love it. Guys, she is just so fabulous. Gosh, you guys, can you see that? Can you see the rose insignia right there? Can you see that? Isn't that fabulous? I'm so excited. You've got the gun safe in here as well by Vault Tech, it looks like, electronic. Some stickers and some information on the gun, but here she is. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. One of the features though, real quick, is the compensator on the XL, which the 380 doesn't have, which I really think is a nice look on a pistol. It's a little bit bigger, and it holds, again, 12 rounds as opposed to only 10, so wanted to make sure I got that in there as well. So, ta-da! We did it! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope it gets tens and tens of views. And visit the website and come train with me. Thanks, have a great day.